Welcome students. Today we are going to learn about limited use of water to waste. So let us start our chapter with source of water and its composition. So from where and all we are getting water which we are using. First of all, let us consider these three main sources. First is oceans, second glaciers, and third is groundwater. Now all the ocean contains together 97% of the water, but this water we cannot use because this water is salty. So in routine life we are not using this ocean water. Then glaciers have 2% of total water on the earth. And the groundwater, it comprises of everything: the reservoirs, the lakes, and the wells and the groundwater which we are taking via borewell. All this water has only 1% share on the earth. So all this water which we are actually using is only 1% on the earth. So among this 1% of fresh water, we are talking about this water which we are using, 2/3 is locked up in ice and snow. Again, from this, the 2/3 is locked up in ice and snow. So that's why the rain falls over on the earth has a great potential value. That's why we have started doing the rainwater harvesting. It is the pure form of water and which we can use in our routine life. Then we have very less water which we can use out of all these available resources. So from this percentile we can see that our water which we are using is in very limited amount. Now let us understand about drainage and types of drainage systems. Hello students, do you want to excel in maths and science? We have some don't memorize courses for you which will help you in your preparation of maths and science. I have given the links in the description. You can avail the 90% of the discount. Don't memorize courses are part of Infinity Learn by Sri Chaitanya. So first of all, let us understand what is a drainage. So all the wastewater released by homes, industry, hospital, offices and other users and via other users are collectively called sewage. So whatever wastewater will come and together it will called as sewage. Now this liquid waste systematically drain from the place from where it is generated. From there we are systematically driving it to another place. That is known as drainage. Now what is drainage system? So systematically wastewater will be collected via canals of pipes at a treatment plant. So all the wastewater are collected and we are collecting them and sending them to treatment plant. And this systematic canals of pipes are known as, this complete system is known as drainage system. Now there are three types of drainage system: open, closed, and third one is septic tank. So open drainage system consists of wastewater released into canals on both the side of our streets. It will be open and it will be at the both side of the streets. Then closed, pipelines carrying wastewater to the treatment plant. Underground pipelines will be there and they are collecting this wastewater and these pipelines will carry this wastewater till the treatment plant. Then comes septic tank. These are units of waste disposal used at homes, usually in villages, towns, where this closed pipelines are not there or the open sewage lines are not there. There they are using this septic tank, and in some individual houses in the cities also we can see this kind of units. Now comes the water treatment. Why water treatment is important before we are using for household purpose? Because there are so many impurities which will get mixed into the water. Now the types of impurities which will get mixed with the water, they are mainly three types of impurities: organic impurities, inorganic impurities, and bacteria and other microbes. So first, organic impurities consist of human feces, human excreta, animal waste, oil, urea. Urea is one of the most used fertilizer into the farm. Pesticides, herbicides, fruit and vegetable and etc. are considered as organic impurities. Then comes inorganic impurities. Nitrates, phosphate, metal, etc. are considered as inorganic impurities. Then bacteria and other microbes will get mixed with the water, which will cause cholera, typhoid and those kind of harmful diseases. So this impurities will get mixed with the water which we are using. So it is very important to treat the water before we are using it. So now we are going to see how we are doing the water treatment so that the water will be safe for us to use. Now let us understand water treatment plant. So in this it includes physical, chemical and biological process. So first it starts from bar screen. So function of bar screen is it will remove the large objects like racks, cans and plastic waste. Then it comes to grit and sand removal tank, where sand, grit and pebbles will settle down. Then it comes to large tank and it has a slope in the middle. So everything will settle down at the slope. So everything will settle down over here in the large tank and it will known as a sludge. Now here we will get two things. First clarified water and then sludge. So clarified water and sludge we are treating in two different ways. So into the clarified water we are pumping the air. So it will grow aerobic bacteria. Now what are the aerobic bacteria? Aerobic bacteria will grow in presence of the air. They will utilize oxygen for their respiration and they will grow and they will consume the human waste. So our water will get free from this feces, excreta and human waste. Then the sludge. We are treating sludge differently from clarified water. Here it will get decomposed by anaerobic bacteria. Here we do not need to pump air because anaerobic bacteria do not use air for the respiration. In absence of air they can grow. So that's why they are known as anaerobic bacteria. This anaerobic bacteria will produce a biogas. This biogas we can use for household fuel purpose. So this is how the whole water treatment will happen, and in that there are three types of processes will get involved: physical, chemical and biological process.